In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can transfer money between accounts in QuickBooks. Now, there's a few reasons why you might want to transfer funds between bank accounts in QuickBooks. The main ones being to move money from a checking account to a savings account, to pay bills from a business account, to transfer money to a different bank account for investment purposes, or it could even be to reimburse a co-worker for expenses. Regardless of the reason, let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can transfer money between accounts right now. So to start with, you first want to be on the home page like I am here. And what we do from here is go into the top left corner and look for this new button. Now we want to select that and then go down to transfer, which is under this other tab here. You'll then see a page like this, and here we can actually start putting in the details about our transfer. So you first want to put in where the transferred funds are from. So you want to either pick one of these that are already here, or you might have already added a new one for your bank account or whatever. So choose whatever one it is coming out of. And then for the one below, you want to choose where the money is actually going into. So if it is for like some shares or something, we'll do something like this. Next up, we want to put in the transfer amount. So let's just say we're putting in £5,000. We'll do that. And then here we can actually add a memo. So this is where we can give a bit of context to our transaction, so we know exactly what it is for. So since I'm not doing this properly, I've just put in test, but you want to put something that's going to help you keep organised basically. And then next up, you can add an attachment if you'd like. So if you have any documents to prove this transfer, you can do that. And it is actually important to note that this is just recording a transfer. In order to actually initiate the transfer, you will have to do it through your bank account. But this is just to actually record the transfer. So what we want to do from here, once we've filled out all these details, is to go down to where it says save and close, and then just select that button there. And as you can see, when you see transfer saved at the top, that means you've done it correctly. And now if we want to go back and view that, all we have to do is go over to bookkeeping, which we can find here. And then we want to select charts of accounts, and here we can see all our transfers. So here you can see the £5,000 transaction that I just did. So if we need to actually edit the transaction at all, we can just select account history here. And then if we need to actually edit anything about it, we can just click on here and then we can change it. So if it was actually 6,000 or 5,000, we can go back, change it to that. And then when we are ready, we can go ahead and click save. And as you can see, it's now changed and updated to 6,000. So that is exactly how you can actually transfer money between accounts in QuickBooks. This can be really useful if you're doing things like consolidating accounts. So you could have multiple bank accounts and you may want to transfer funds from one account to another to simplify your finances. You may be trying to meet a financial goal and you could be saving for a down payment on a house or something like that, and you just need to transfer funds from your checking account to your savings account on a regular basis. No matter what the reason, if you completed all the steps in this video, you will have successfully transferred money between accounts inside of QuickBooks Online. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and hopefully you successfully did manage to transfer your money between accounts. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.